Hello girls, I have sent you, I've told you about the first video, the arrangement. See, this is the stick and I'm starting again a new arrangement for you. You can just follow it. The second arrangement, okay? We can do it little different. What I'm doing, I have taken a stick as we have taken last day. I have taken the tape, okay? And I start doing this, with this arrangement. Nothing, I have started with the tip, okay, and I'll just roll it for once or twice, and then I'm taking a flower here and I'm taking a flower here, right? And then trying to see the wire, okay, trying to cross this wire, this side and this side both, trying to, yes, okay, and then again opposite to this so that it is nicely adjusted towards the so now again, as I've already told you, this is a flexible tape. It is sticky tape. It is very thin tape. It can tear in between for 10 times, so do not worry about it. You just worry about your work. Okay, so just coming little bit down again, because the flower arrangement we were liking is something this time. Can you see? Yes, opposite, two opposite ones. So again at a distance, when I go down, I'll take it as a cross. So, and or we can do one thing more in between. I'll take this as, I'll take the leaf also, which is going to look very beautiful, and the leaf also will go in, leaf also will be arranged in a opposite direction workout, yes. So, and then when we adjust the leaves, come down 1 inches and around 1 inches, when we are down 1 inches, then at this place I am going to use again the two flowers, okay, yes, can you see? Yes, then again the same, in the same position I am going to use again a flower, okay, and then okay, and then just rotate, keep on rotating, yes, okay. So again there is a distance of around 1 inch, 1 inch or so, and then take the petal, take the flower, sorry, you can even adjust one more petal here if you want, take the flower, and then the extra wire can be nicely adjusted over here on the stem, so that there is a thick grip of the work. See how quickly it is steering, but you don't have to worry at all. Don't worry at all. And girls, when you are doing the work with the wire, I would like that you please work little softly. Don't hurt your fingers with the wire while you are doing this work. Try to be safe, and if you feel you are unable to, please, because you are at home and I am unable to reach you, tell your parents to help you little bit if you are unable to do the wire work. But then I would suggest, work is yours. If you do with your own hands, girls, it is going to look beautiful. You will learn, and this learning will be lifelong learning, okay. You will never forget in your life what you have made once with your own hands, yes. So can you see the arrangement of the second one, how beautiful it is, right? Yes, so I have done two arrangements. One was the previous one which we have done, and second is this, okay. So you can even use two petals over here. I have not used two petals. You can even use one petal as we have used here. You can use two petals here. Even you can do, suppose if you have more petals with you, you can start with petals also, two petals here. like we have started here, we can start from here also. Okay, so 2 petals here, then 2 flowers, then 2 petals, then 2 flowers, then 2 petals, then 2 flowers. If you want to make it more heavy and more filled with leaves and branches. Okay girls, yes. So you are going to follow this nicely. One I have already told you, second is this flower. Now what is your assessment for this? What is your assignment for this? Listen to this very carefully. I have taught you how to cut flowers, taught you how to make buds if you don't have ready-made stamens, taught you how to use if you don't have like stem, what you can use for stem. Okay, so I have taught you entire stem to be made, the flower stem, how, and then I have taught you 2 arrangements. One arrangement I have taught you how was the adjacent arrangements. Okay, and this, it is opposite, just very much like opposite arrangement, side by side arrangement, right? So now your work is, you will make one flower design from your own mind. You will, this is your creativity and this is your marks giving project. I'll give, this is 10 marks project. I'm going to give you marks on this, and I'll be giving you 1 full week. Okay, I'll be giving you 1 full week where you can work out, where you will work out yourself without my help. Yes, you can ask me for help. That is not a problem. You can always ask me for help. You can always talk to me if you are having any problem. But I will not help you in the design or in your creativity. Okay, so creativity will be your. You are going to make 1 flower and 2 petals for me. And no need to make such a big stem. You can just take a small stem. For example, just hold. Let me see if I have a small. Okay, you can just take a small stem like this, and if you have the wire, if you have the tape, then make it a tape. Then just try to cover with the tape. Okay, as I have already told you, if you do not have that, do it with green color, brown color. It's up to you. And then you are just going to arrange 1 flower and 2 petals. Petals also change the design, change the shape of the petal. You know, we live in a big environment, and we in our school, how many type of leaves are there? Many. So you use any type of leaf, any type of flower, no problem. But then you are going to make 1 full flower, okay, along with the stamens, along with the proper cutting seam, and then 2 leaves, which are not the leaves which I have taught you. Okay, you can make any other design. So 1 flower, 2 leaves, and then I will assist you for this. Okay, thank you so much girls. We will meet again with a new project, and we are going to meet for the Google Meet also class, obviously. And if there is any problem, you can talk to me over there, and any help, always I'm there. Yes. Okay, thank you so much girls. Stay safe, stay happy, work hard.